Today we are going to learn how to place a logo on every slide of your PowerPoint presentation. The instructions begin by having you open PowerPoint directly from your computer. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application that you have installed locally. Once the program opens, locate and open the presentation you wish to add your logo to. This might be a file you have recently worked on or an older presentation you need to update. After you have opened the desired presentation, navigate to the presentation view where all your slides are visible to you. Once you are in your presentation, direct your attention to the top menu where you will see a variety of tabs. Look for the View tab among these options. The View tab is a versatile section of PowerPoint that allows you to change the way you interact with your slides, including switching to modes that let you manage how your slides are formatted. Within the View tab, your next step is to select the option known as Slide Master. This option is usually located in a section labeled Master Views or something similar, and it allows you to make changes that will affect every slide in the presentation. Activating the Slide Master View opens a set of tools that lets you work with a master slide, ensuring consistency across your slides. Take a moment to appreciate how the Slide Master View displays a list of different layouts and settings that apply to all your slides. Once you are in Slide Master View, focus on the very first slide in the list of master slides shown on the left-hand side of your screen. This slide acts as the foundation for all subsequent slides in your presentation. By making your changes here, you ensure that each slide derived from this master contains the updates you apply. With the master slide selected, you are now ready to add your logo. The next steps involve navigating to the Insert options. Switch to the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint workspace. The Insert tab provides you with the ability to add various elements to your slides, including pictures, shapes, and text boxes. In this instance, you will be adding an image by clicking on the Pictures option that is visible within the Insert tab. After selecting pictures, you are presented with different options and should choose the one labeled as this device. Selecting this option allows you to browse your computer for the image file you wish to add. Navigate through your computer's file system until you locate the logo file that you want displayed on every slide. Once found, select the image file and proceed with the upload. By following these steps, your logo will be added to the master slide, which will automatically update all slides that are connected to this master view. This ensures that your logo appears consistently throughout your entire presentation, adding a professional and cohesive look to your content. Enjoy the process and the resulting professional touch that your presentation now carries.